Lots of stuff will be brought with us when we are having a long distance ride, so a rear rack is certainly important. And the rear light actually plays an important role in safety, like it will enhance the visibility, which helps the drivers behind us to see us clearly, avoiding collision when it is dark or misty. Hello my friends! Thanks for watching our new episode of Magicycle How-To and Tips. Rear rack is the main load-bearing accessory in riding, which has high requirements on the toughness and strength of the material and can bear the weight of the bag and luggage whatever you take with you, also hold them when encounter the bumps on the road. Asked by many riders, today we will focus on how to install the rear rack and tail light on the Magicycle Ocelot. First of all, let's see how to assemble the rear rack on Magicycle Ocelot. We have all necessary tools right here. What we need is the 4mm Allen wrench, and you can find it also in your Magicycle toolkit. First, loosen the 4 bolts on the bike frame. Then, insert the 2 arms on the both sides of the rear rack into the rear wheel. Align the screw holes on the rear rack with the screw holes on the left and right sides of the frame. Okay, now take out 4 4mm screws and place them on the left and right sides respectively. If you think the ties on the rear rack makes it inconvenient, then you can lose it. Tighten the screws, and then the rear rack is installed. When you receive your rear rack and the tail light, actually you can use the 8mm wrench to install the tail light to your rear rack, and also you will receive a tail light cable, and you can find this red pin and there's a 2-pin connector here, and inside of the controller you can find the 3-pin like cable right here, and then you need to insert this cable to the controller to connect the cables. To install the rear light, we need to open the plate cover of the controller to find the cable of the rear light. So now let's unscrew it. Unscrew the 5 bolts on the plate cover. Here's another 5 bolts that we have to loose to open the controller. So let's lose it. So now let's open the controller. After you connected the cables inside of the controller, then we go to the tail light, and here's also the cable, the end of the cable. You should connect it to the rear light. After all these are done, then turn on your Magicycle and pull the brake lever, see if the tail light works or not. And after all this, put all the plate cover to the place, like the original place, okay? So let's do it. Well, if you want to install the rear rack on the jack roundy, you can also take the same steps. That's all for today, and if you like my sharings, please click the follow button and turn on the notifications so that you won't miss any update. And if you have any advice for Magicycle or any tips for our viewers, please put your idea in the comment section. And that's all. We will see you in the next episode.